Girl, come my way, yeah, you got that cake. Let me slide through and just make you my bait.
YouTube, it's Big Taurus with the motherfucking food review. Yo, we back with another video. So I got my hash brown here and my chicken McGriddle, bro. Look at this nice head. Take a sniff, take a lick, bro, on the screen. And I got my Sprite. McDonald's never lets me down, guys. That bite, bro. It was good as fuck, bro. Look at that graze. I can feel it going in my veins and my arteries. All that graze. Alright, time for the big boy. Time for the big boy. The big McGriddle. But there's a problem. There's no cheese in the motherfucking fridge. Every time I grab my McGriddle, I make sure I add cheese on it. But today, there's no cheese. We're gonna eat the thing without cheese. McDonald's, I have to tell you, you guys have the best breakfast in the motherfucking world, bro. I don't care what anybody says. McDonald's has the best breakfast. I'm still gonna be hungry after this. It's like waffles and chicken, bro. At the same time, you taste the chicken, the honey. It's like eating two pancakes with a piece of chicken in the middle. Big sandwich. Right off the bat, I gave this thing a 9.5 out of 10. It would be nice if McDonald's could add bacon, cheese, and cheese. So that is it, guys. I'm done eating my whole meal. Good ass meal. The chicken McGriddle was really fucking good. I recommend it to you guys. You guys should get it. If you're gonna get it, you gotta get two, bro. Today I only got one because that's what my mom and dad brought me. But two, bro. And then add cheese and bacon at your house because McDonald's doesn't do it. You do the job for yourself, you know. So make sure you do that. Well, peace out, guys. It's Big Taurus. He's out. It's going down for real. You already know the vibes. All right, peace out, guys. Make sure you hit the bell, subscribe. Hit the bell so you can stay tuned when I drop another video. Subscribe and like the video. I'm out. Peace out, YouTube. Much love to you all.